Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hey PlayStation fans, ever find your X button on your PS5 controller acting a bit off? Maybe it's sticking, or just not registering properly. It's a super common problem, especially with controllers that see a lot of action, but the good news is, most of the time it's totally fixable. We're going to dive into some easy, updated methods to get your controller feeling brand new again, so you can get back to your games without any frustration. So why does your X button start misbehaving? Well, often it's tiny particles, like dust, food crumbs, or even dried liquid spills, working their way under the button. Over time, this buildup creates a sticky residue or obstruction, preventing the button from fully returning to its position. Think of all those intense gaming moments, and it's easy to see how a little wear and tear can also contribute to this frustrating issue. Before trying anything drastic, let's start with the easiest solutions. First, always make sure your controller is completely off and disconnected from your console. Then, grab some isopropyl rubbing alcohol and a cotton swab. Gently clean around the edges of the X button, pressing it down slightly to get into the crevices. Another great tool is compressed air. Give short, controlled bursts around the button to dislodge any loose debris. These simple steps often solve the problem right away. If those initial cleaning steps didn't quite do the trick, you might need to perform a deeper clean. This involves carefully opening up your DualSense controller. You'll need a small screwdriver to remove the screws hidden under the grips, and then gently pry open the casing. Once inside, you can access the X button's contact pad and the rubber membrane underneath. Clean these thoroughly with rubbing alcohol, ensuring no sticky residue remains. Then carefully reassemble everything. Remember, proceed with caution here. To keep your PS5 controller's X button feeling responsive and smooth, regular maintenance is key. Make it a habit to wipe down your controller periodically, preventing dust and grime from building up in the first place. And, if possible, try to avoid snacking or having open drinks directly over your controller during those intense gaming marathons. By following these simple prevention tips, you'll ensure your DualSense stays in excellent condition, ready for all your adventures for a long time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.